Hindi naman po, hindi naman. Actually, may times na ano na parang not because nakakaumay pero parang we feel overworked. So parang ano, hinga muna. But whenever whenever I talk to Kim naman, parang ano pang pwede nating gawin after this? Ito. Pwede pa pala to. Sige, baka pwede nating i-reserve yan in the future. So it's more of like finding kung ano pa nang pwede naming i-offer na hindi pa nila nakikita po sa amin.
Ako, may mga ganun na parang kami mag-eksena lagi. Kaya maganda din na binigyan kami ng TFC na Kim Pao World Tour.
Yun!
Which is coming this next month, April. Basta i-announce din nila. So, meron kaming US and Canada tour. So, masaya din. At the same time, it's something different and mas personal to say thank you to all of them na rin.
I think I really attribute it to the people supporting us because yun nga parang Lin lang was supposed to be a one-time project. Pero sila yung nag-request talaga na parang they wanted more, they wanted to see more. We did Secretary Kim, then they wanted a movie. We gave them a feel-good movie, and now parang an intense teleserye. So, ano talaga, siguro hanggang nire-request hanggang may gusto pang panoorin kami. Parang we'd still do projects together. So it's for the fans and people who supporting us. So thank you sa inyo.
Ito naman is hindi naman siya mag-work without the support na nakukuha namin ngayon. Ako kasi nakatatlong love teams na ako. So parang talaga mayroon pa rin pala na nagsusupport sa amin ni Pao. And this time, in this day and age, ang bilis ng takbo ng bawat artista and ang bilis magsawa ng mga tao. Pero sobra kaming nagugulat and at the same time, very thankful ni Pao na ganito yung effort and time and love na binibigay nila sa amin. Kaya gusto din namin ibalik sa kanila with giving them great projects also na iba-iba para iba-iba yung variations. Parang ganun. So very, very lucky in this lifetime na merong sumusuporta sa amin.
Okay.
Ako, nanood ako ng Netflix, yung Singles Inferno.
Bakit naman yun?
Nanood ako noon.
Okay.
Ako, wala, bahay lang din. May meeting lang nung tapos may inaaral lang ako para sa isang role. Yan lang.
Okay.
Binibigyan kami ng iba't ibang klase ng mga serye na which tackles different types of roles. And pagka-eksena ko si Pao, parang nag-grow ako din as an actor.
Ikaw, Pao, instinct mo na ba yun na to protect Kim? Not naman protect in like literal na way, but have that safe space with Kim while working with you?
Of course. Parang, syempre, I've worked with Kim for so long and parang as much as possible, you try to protect them. Not just physically, pati in terms of knowing, diba? The more you know kasi, the more you're protected mo for a lot of stuff. For example, siguro, sige, wag na lang example.
Tuloy mo, pupelo na kami. Tuloy mo yan, Pao. Like what?
For example, like online scams, diba? Parang if you're a bit knowledgeable about that thing, you share the knowledge.
Yeah.
And parang at the same time, she's protected because she's knowledgeable about online scams even more. Parang ganun.
But now that you've heard na yung flowers na binigay mo kind of symbolizes healing and protection, what's your reaction?
Nagustuhan mo ba?
Oo naman. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Gusto mo ba?
Pwede naman everyday.
Mga mulubi.
Kaya mo yan, Nats.